There goes some deer. And there's my brother running. I'm about to bike down back to the house. Yeah. Camera shot. Get the gun out of my face, idiot. Okay. Well, here's my yard. It's the basketball court. And, here's the house. That's just where we keep everything. There's one little hen out. I don't know if you can see it. Here's just the basement. Motorcycle. And there's a little 50 over there. And there's one of the chickens. Oh my gosh, I guess that's a rooster. I was wondering which ones were roosters, dude. I'm gonna go catch that one right quick. But if you look around, yeah, you can see. There's my area. Was it that one that's the rooster? Hey, little buddy. Hey, was this the one, Buffy? Was this the one that insulted you? Was it that one? I think it was you. Yeah. He's not denying. Oh yeah, that's the rooster. Well, I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. Try to look for some markings on it to remember it by. But yeah, I guess that's the rooster. Not even crowing yet. Hey guys, I'm gonna have to set this down for a minute so I can catch it. So I am not setting it down, but you see I'm fighting? Not fighting, but okay. I'm gonna set it down right here. Okay. Look. Okay, well I caught it, but it's being a little bit mean. They're not quite at the age where they like being held yet. Hopefully it won't poop on me. But here's the chicks. Oh, they ran. Okay, you see it? No. Yeah, well, no, you can hear them. I can't really do anything because I have this one chicken in my hand. There's my brother's area. It's where he keeps all his chickens. I'm trying to be careful. Give me a second. Oh, it's okay. It's scared of this hen. It's okay. Okay, buddy. That's Easter, by the way. She's a Easter egger or Americana or something. It's Buffy. Buffy's mad at him. That's Easter. Right there. And that's Hershey. She just got over a cycle of being broody. Didn't turn out well. The eggs went missing. Look, here's some of the chicks. They just came out. Yeah. You see it? I don't know how you can see it, but there's a mama hen in there with them too. I had a video earlier, but the battery just went off and came back on. Messed it up. But I'll walk you through a little. I can't really see what the video's looking like or anything, because I'm holding it right in front of my chicken, which I'm sure you can tell because I just saw the feathers. That's Goldie. I've had her for over a year. Right, Goldie? It's okay, little chickie. It's okay. Then I got something in my boot that's hurting. There's that. Wait a second. You see her following me? They love me. There's the coop I'm building. It's got water underneath it right now. Wait a minute. Okay. Had to fix its wing. But there's that. There's that. Pumpkin. 2 or 3 pumpkins are there. And here's one gourd. Then I got plenty more where that came from. This chicken's actually not putting up much of a fight. If I have the right one. That's a pretty gourd. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Like I said before, I've just cleared all this out. And that's just where the fence had fallen. Then this looked messy because I've just been cleaning up on it. Wait a second, I have to do something. Okay, I got it. But as you can see, dug some grass from a little flower garden up there, and put it here. We'll see if that bush will grow. I don't know if it will. Chickens are odd. They like to perch up there on these rotten logs that fall across the fences. And yeah, and this is the newly cleared out. I'm like there, over. And we'll try to get cleared out to where it's all cleared out to the level of the field. You know, I don't know what all you can see, but this is a bad rooster. He's trying to fertilize Buffy. I'm surprised by you. These aren't even grown yet. They're not old at all. They're very, very young. But these 6 white ones I have like this, I don't know what type they are. They're supposed to be white rocks, but they're not. They sleep in that. And that's the one. See, these chickens are very sweet. Buffy. Hey, and I'm gonna let this one go now. I'm gonna watch it. Hope it doesn't act like it just took a dust bath. I'm offended. There's Goldie. That's where they're sleeping right now. And there's Buffy, the chicken that's not supposed to be in there. But you know how that works. This coop came from Tractor Supply. 200 some bucks. That one came from Amazon. It was a lot. Say 280 something. And no joke, look, I know that one's a rooster. You see? And then that one is the one that, you know, did that to Buffy. I'm kind of shocked because it looks like a hen. I thought that was a hen. We have a lot of roosters, I'm guessing. Because look how big their feet are. They're big. I'm not gonna hurt you. But yeah, that's most of it. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video. See ya.